Hi guys! So today I want to make a video on how to make your own cream contour. And all you need are two products, face paint and translucent powder. For face paint, I do recommend one of these two palettes here, but honestly, any cream face paint would work just fine. So for starters, you want to start off with what makes a foundation base shade, which for me, it would be red, yellow, and white. Those colors would essentially be like the foundation of making a foundation shade. Once you lay those colors onto your mixing palette, you're then going to take a liberal amount of a brown face paint, like so, and then all you're going to do is just mix those colors in together. Now, if you feel like your contour is a little bit too red, you can add a little bit more brown into it, just so that the redness can sort of counteract with, those other undertones that didn't work well with the amount of brown that you initially put in there. And this is what it should look like. Now, this would be a great cream bronzer. Now, if you want a contour, which mimics a shadow, this is all you gotta do. All you gotta do is just take a smidget of black face paint, mix it in, and this is what your custom cream contour shade should look like. Then I'm going to take my translucent powder. It can be any kind of translucent powder, essentially from any brand. Just make sure that it's more of a chalky consistency. I'm just going to dust just a little bit of the translucent powder onto the cream, and you carefully just mix it thoroughly. Make sure all the powder and the cream is mixed into it well. It would kind of feel a little bit sticky-ish, but all it is just the powder and the cream emerging together in a sense, kind of making a paste in a sense. And if you feel like the cream is still a little too moist, you can definitely add little by little more translucent powder and just mix it ever so thoroughly, very gently. And this is essentially all the cream contour I have. And all you're gonna do is just put it into any empty container that you have, and voila, you can just save it and use it anytime you like. Now, this is a quick demonstration on how this cream contour works onto my skin tone. This is what it looks like with it, and this is what it looks like without it. If you have any questions of any kind about this homemade cream contour, please let me know.